When you are planning to enter a short, it is really important that no matter what the 6 hour and the 1 hour say, that you go down to the 3 minute. And on the 3 minute cycle, you want to make sure that you don't short the bottom. See now here, place to short would have been there. But right here is not a place to short. Why? Because it only goes up and down. Duh. I take screenshots of the price so I can monitor, and you'll see on the 3 minute, I just took that screenshot a minute ago, 765, 768. So the price is coming up slightly. I feel no emotion. I am like machine. I do not care if I miss something here. I will wait for the Green Army to approach on the hill, and I will assault. I just made a deposit over to Fibit. It hasn't gotten there yet. Usually it takes one confirmation. Fibit is simple. You can actually move this up or down. Over here, let me reset the chart for you and give you a fresh perspective. I wish I was shorting this right now. You want to make sure that you're on hike in a sheet. Then you want to move this back. And then you want to come down here and magnify it so it's comfortable. Now, you could come here, but it's not as important, and click the auto button. And the auto button fits the data to the screen, but it's not as important. This is what you want to see. This would have been an epic short had my funds arrived yet, but they are still sending from my Exodus wallet. Look at that. And there's one thing when you're using BitMEX for time frames, all my subscribers and followers, I will teach you real information. Make sure that you click this on auto. It should be blue. And as you come down the time frames, you will see, well, people who only looked at the 6 hour just got wrecked because it's dumping on them. The 1 hour is showing the dump, and then we come down here and cycle the 3 minute. So I won't short down here. Let's take a fresh screenshot. I won't short down here, number one, because my Bitcoin didn't get there yet. Let's delete these older screenshots. So we want this one, 734. Sometimes you can do what we call price versus candle. Sometimes if you want to short and it's red, but the price is moving up, don't take that short. It could be a temporary bottom. Okay. I'm expecting to see some green troops coming in here supporting their flank, buying the dip, and then I will wait for them to weaken and I will kneecap them. I will take them out. If you're one of my subscribers, it's so odd how, I always used to get like 1,000 views, per video. And all of a sudden, the past maybe few days, look at this. How YouTube is not showing my videos. I'm going to tell you if you're not being notified, unsubscribe, subscribe again, and click the notification that says all so you'll be notified when I put out a video. I have years worth of amazing trading tips here, live trading in all conditions on different exchanges. The exchanges that I pick tend to work the best, okay, and are the easiest. And also, with all this that we hear about exchanges and FTX, and look, that was not an exchange. Those are staking platforms. That's like giving a stranger your wallet and saying, hey, hold this for me. And they say, okay. And I promise I'll even give you back some interest. Look, that may work in a bank, but not crypto. So the exchanges I pick, like BitGet, like this one, Fibit, okay, are ones that click all the tight criteria. They check. Oh, my Bitcoin has arrived. They check off all the criteria. Okay, they have instant withdrawals, great customer service. There are links below, but for BitGet you need a VPN. And why you would not be using a VPN, I don't understand. It's crypto. Don't you understand? It's important. Look, see, I wasn't going to short the bottom. Now, if you want to do the 2550, oh, this is Bitcoin in and Bitcoin out only. What did I tell you? I said on the 3 minute, the Green Army was about to approach. How did I know that? I teach this to people under any one of my videos. Click show more. You'll find links to the exchanges, some other things. Okay. But here, you all want to buy courses. You all want to buy trading bots. Well, I'll tell you what, I was born free and it became expensive. You could actually buy me for a fraction of a Bitcoin. I will let you in my Discord. We will do a Zoom together. Okay, it takes about 1 hour, and I will answer 99.9% of the questions that are in your head before you ask them. And I will make sure that when we're done, you understand, oh my gosh, this is a simple game. Red Army versus the Green Army. I never seen it this way before. It is so simple. And there is nothing to ever buy again. I teach you a skill for life. And then you go to not only my Discord, but the War Room, where there are tons of people that I have trained, and it's free for life. Post your charts, ask your questions. If they don't help you, I will. And then there are additional pop up Zoom calls. I did 2 of them this week. This is how you see so many people posting testimonials in every one of my videos. I mean, it's just absolutely incredible. I'm waiting for my entry.
Max at 30% short came back from 70% in the minus on BTC. Thanks Oracle for your emotion video. Thumbs up.
Wow. Look at this. I mean, there's 50 new messages. I can't play every one of them. Look at double overfill. 207%, 250%, 13%, 31%, 22%, 10%. These are look at Taipan, 125, 70%. Look at this, 32%. $5,100 win. Imagine that. Would $5,100 change your life? Okay. This costs a fraction of that. Make a decision to do something with yourself. What are you going to do? Drive for the gig economy? You're going to open a franchise? This is a skill you can learn, and these people have all learned it, and I'm offering you an opportunity. Do you know what it is to make 222% or 74% long and short, altcoins or not? This is what we do. They call us degenerates. We laugh at their technical analysis as if it's horoscopes and cloud formations in the sky. I'm waiting for my opportunity. Let me check the higher time frames. Here, they think it's all a go. Look at this. They think it's go time. And a bunch of them just got liquidated. Price has moved up slightly. That's why I didn't short the bottom. The 1 hour is starting to show possibly the true colors of the immediate future. We go here. Would love to drop a short. Very tactful in my decisions. I win about 98% of my trades because I trade when I can win. I teach the people in my group that this is like a casino. We check who's working at the casino and whether or not we can cheat. And we pick the side that allows us to cheat. Knowing this and this drill down and everything that I teach is like knowing the future. This is as close to insider trading as you can get. I am like the thunder hiding in the skies. I wait and ambush and take advantage of emotional traders who just jump at the 1 minute pump and the 1 minute dump and then wonder why it goes the other way. Welcome to my world. So I'm going to take my trade amount. Usually it's a half a Bitcoin. But if I'm going to show you the proper way, it's usually a quarter. But I'm going to take that and I'm going to cut that in half. I'm going to cut my trade into 2 parts and do 25 and 50x combined. I will get 38x. My exit fee will be lower than 7.5%. It'll be a slower, safer trade that I can leave, possibly even overnight. Let's look here what's happening. Still don't have a lot of confirmation. This is a risky trade. Let's watch the price. The price going up or down. 57. Let's look at the 3 minute. 60. Price is going up. 61. That is a bad place to short just by looking at the price. Watch the price. You are learning. If you're learning, tell me in the comments. 62. The price is going up and you want to drop a short there? 64. That's a mistake. You would be slaughtered. I truly don't have direction. This is a mistake many people make. They trade. Look, you think you have long direction, but look, you're losing it on the 1 hour. Many people make this mistake and try to create a trade where there is no trade. And then they overanalyze and miss the trade and don't take the trade when there is a trade. I'm going to go into this a little lighthearted. We're going to do I really want to enter here? No. The price is going up. I refuse. This, what you have just witnessed, is the diligence and the emotional control over the need to feel as if you're gambling. You've just witnessed what a real trader does, how a real trader reacts. I will not take this trade. The price keeps going up. I have green on the 6. On the 1 hour, I don't even have 2 or 3 candles. I have 1. That is not confirmation to short. I look here, I have some indecisives, but the price keeps going up. Haven't you noticed? This is why we use tools like screenshots. Oh, and I want you to stay tuned because I know you all love BitGet, but if it comes down to that they KYC and block certain countries, I think I found the BitGet replacement that's legal in all countries that everyone can use. It's not time yet. Right now, we stick with BitGet and we stick with Fibit. And I will not put in a trade where the odds are not on my side. This would have been a losing short as of this moment. So I hope you learned here. What am I looking at? I'm looking at a combination of several factors. Overall direction, I don't see any green, any red here fighting yet. But I can see them down here. Yet I only see one. This does not give me permission to short, although my bias is to short. And ever since I've been looking at the 3 minute, the price has been going up and up. If I shorted down here or on one of these candles, I would be negative. I am not about being negative. I'm going to decide to skip this trade. This is what winners do. And this is where we win. I'm going to leave you a link right underneath this video. People who come in my Discord trade on the exchanges we trade on because they want to learn how to trade like me. Now, of course, it's not going to include a consultation or anything, but I'm going to leave you a link to get in here. The daily trade updates. When you come in, you're going to land in the Ravenite room. People will welcome you. Okay? Then there's the Oracle link room. Okay? Where we go, there's my channels. So a whole bunch of stuff. The drill down manifesto. Now there are private videos in here where you learn how to tune your time frames. Okay, you learn when to long, when to short, when you should move, when you shouldn't. Then there's the OTEC strategies. I'm offering you all this for free. Okay, if you get to click that link and you come in, respect our rules. Okay, no posting of links, no contacting other members. You will be banned. There is no coming back. Okay, and we only trade on the exchanges that I trade on because we are perfecting these 2 exchanges and our strategy to work on these exchanges. They don't just work on any exchange. This entire room, I don't even want to go through the whole thing, but it teaches you the OTEC strategies. All my YouTube videos are listed here, okay, from all my channels. The consultation war room. After you have your consult with me, if you're lucky enough, okay, you get access to the war room where there's over 1,000 people that I've trained myself. And that's your ongoing help room after the consultation. In there, you can post your charts, ask your questions, and then there are recap videos. Plus, for these paid people, this is the only thing that's locked from all of you freebies. You can all come in here. This is the only 2. Okay, consultation war room and consultation video. There are private videos, upgrades, and refreshers to my consultation. The non-trading lounge beats Facebook, greatest place you've ever been. The daily summary quotes. That's where one of our members, okay, one of our respected admins, basically recaps the entire previous day of everything that happened here in the daily trade updates, where you get to follow trading over my shoulder in real time. Unbelievable. All of this is free for now. If you want to upgrade to a consultation later, you can. Then there's testimonial videos. There are rooms just on Fibit to maximize your skill. Rooms just on BitGet to maximize your skill. And the one, the only, the future cast. Yep, I did not short there and I would not take that trade. Welcome to the educated, non-emotional warrior trading. That's what this is. No emotions. I feel nothing. You would have got wrecked right there. Stay frosty and have a good day. I look forward to reading your comments. I will never leave you a WhatsApp number or ask you for money. Watch out for fake oracles. Click the show more button below this video to see the truth. Look at that. We avoided disaster just by paying attention to some simple, basic things. And now look, on the 1 hour, there's another red. So it might be time to short a little bit later. Stay tuned.